leave a like, subscribe, and comment.
And comment what we
Let's
should
get on
play.
to the video.
Yo. I'm gonna go get some money in the game. See ya. So we have to shoot all the ghosts.
I'm coming with.
I'm gonna shoot that ghost. Oh my god, there's a ghost. Boom.
Wait, you have a gun?
Yeah, you can come in and have a gun. Oh my god, who's gonna be the ghost? Who's gonna be the ghost? Oh, it was almost your turn to be the ghost.
Yeah, I know.
There's the ghost right there. I got 4 gems. So guys, it's a haunted house.
Scary. This is my first time playing this, guys, so yeah.
Yeah, you have to hold your screen to shoot. Hold your screen. Oh no, my battery is going down, like in the game, my gun battery. Let me get it. Mia, hello? Hold. Mia, do you see like your pumpkin pet moving a lot? And having that white beam? It means the ghost is super close. It's right there. Gosh, oh no, I don't have any battery. I need to get the battery. There. Got it.
How do I shoot?
Tap on the screen. Hold tap. Like you hold the messages. Ghost hunters win. The ghost was destroyed. Mia, did you earn 20 gems?
No.
Oh, Mia, come here. You could get 100 gems. Follow me. Since we played 1 round, you could get 100 gems. Come on, get on it. Did you get 100 gems?
Yes.
Now we have to play 10 rounds for 1,000. I want to be the ghost. Have 10% chance. Who's gonna be the ghost? Dun dun dun. Oh, it was so close.
Yeah, it was almost me.
Ooh, we're going to the pyramid.
Oh, pyramid.
And
That's actually really cool.
Beside your screen, there's a battery. And if your battery is all down, that means you can't use your gun. So you have to collect batteries in the game. There's one over there. I think this ghost is super pro.
Oh no.
Huh? Did the ghost catch you?
I died.
The ghost caught you.
What the heck?
If the ghost catches you, you have to jump. Okay?
Why didn't you tell me that in the beginning? No! Come on!
Well,
of course I'm the first person he kills. Of course. Of course I'm the first person.
the ghost is not near me. Oh no, it's his. It's near me. My pumpkin's moving. No, don't steal my battery. I'm so mad. Escape! Escape! Boom. I bet she's gonna catch me because I'm so low. Oh shoot, I'm the only hunter left. Oh! Mia. Hello? Mia?
Yeah?
Hello. So we have played 1 out of 10 rounds.
I'm shooting ghosts right now.
Wait, how much gems do you have?
100.
100 and what? Just 100?
100.
Just 100. 100.
Yep.
Please, me, I have a 17% chance. Yes, it's me!
Oh my gosh!
I'm not teaming. But I'll tell you how.
Why?
I'm gonna tell you how to like escape. You have to jump really fast. Like keep on
Yeah.
pressing the jump button. I will go easy on you. Okay?
Thank you so much.
Okay. There's like so many people. Oh, I've been hit. I've been hit. Yo, people. Come here. Come here.
Troy, I'm out of Maya, I'm out of energy.
Oh, then go get some batteries. You can find them around the map.
Okay.
I killed someone. Hi, I'm near you. Go kill this white person. Oh, you shot me! I won't go easy on you. Oh. No. Come on, you die already.
This game is so scary.
No, it's not. Yes, I killed someone. Woo! Mia, I'm coming for you. Do you see your pumpkin? It's all white. Try to find me. I got ya! Oh, never mind. Mia, what's this hand? Huh? No, she's gonna kill me. Mia, what's that hand over there?
What?
Do you see that hand? Right there.
Nope.
Right there. Right behind you. Get her! Mia, I'm gonna go get you. I'm gonna get you. Mia, come on, escape! Oh, you died.
What?
Die already! Die!
Right? This game is actually really scary.
Really?
Like you don't know where the ghost is, and like the ghost is like going around. Not like scary, like kind of creepy.
No, she's about to kill me.
Not like scary, like it's gonna give me nightmares. No, it's not really that scary. I meant like you know what I mean?
I do not know what you mean.
Okay, whatever.
She's trying to find me.
Joy, how much more minutes?
Oh no, she killed me! But at least I got 10 gems.
Oh, really?
Yeah, but at least I got 10 gems. We have 4 minutes to play this game. Oh, I just got a comment. Someone just commented on our video. Maya Black, please play Rosasins. Okay.
Okay, we'll play it like maybe next video. Yeah, tomorrow morning
Tomorrow morning.
or something.
Like maybe 1 hour more? I don't know. Yeah, should we do 1 hour more?
No, tomorrow.
Okay. So,
When can I be the ghost?
I don't know, but I think the video is about to end. After the video ends, do you want to continue playing this game, or do you want to try out Rosasins?
Yeah, sure. How much more minutes, Joy?
2 minutes.
Okay, we should end the video.
Where are you? So let's shoot our laser beams. Bye, guys. I'm shooting.
Bye. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and comment. Bye.
Beep, 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 beep.